कोरोनामुळे आलेल्या संकटात मानसिक कोंडमारा झाला असेल, मनस्थिती थोडीशी ठीक नसेल, अभ्यास विसरला गेला असेल किंवा मध्येच आठवत नसेल, काळजी करू नका. उजळणी स्वरूपात 10वी अभ्यासमालेचा लाभ घ्या आणि यशस्वी व्हा.
Hi children, today our discussion will be on the 5th lesson, that is the concert. Children, you have already studied that concert lesson in your schools, but today within the next 15 minutes I will tell you just the summary and then we will highlight on the important questions on this lesson. Okay, let's begin. Children, there in the story, you know, there is a story of a boy. What's his name? His name is Anant. What was his problem? What was he suffering from? That's another question. You know, there in the picture, you see a small boy. He is 15 years old and lying on the bed. His problem is he is suffering from the cancer. And now he is in his auntie's house or in the apartment. Okay, let us now see something about the boy Anant. Anant was 15-year-old boy. He was the best table tennis player. He was taking sitar classes and even his sister was also taking sitar classes. But when compared to her, he was good at sitar. He was better than her sister also. Now, one day when he was lying on the bed, his sister was reading the newspaper. And in the newspaper, she read a news. Okay, what was the news? The news was about the musical program, the concert. And the news was about the program where one great sitar maestro was going to attend or going to play at that moment. Now the question is, who was that sitar maestro? His name was Pandit Ravi Shankar. He was going to play. Now the place was one famous auditorium in Bombay. Its name is Shanmukhananda Auditorium. And that day the program was scheduled. So that news was published in the newspaper, which was read by her sister. And the sister read that loudly. Suddenly, the boy heard the news. And he was a great fan of that sitar maestro. And suddenly said, "What? Today is the program of Pandit Ravi Shankar? Then I must go and attend it." He insisted her mother to go and attend the program. But the mother said, "Boy, you are sick, you are ill, now you are very serious, you can't go to that program. I will allow you to go to the program when you are all right." And he was saddened. Okay, next, that boy insisted very often to her mother, but mother did not allow him to go there. Now, what has happened is, now the boy is and his family is now in Bombay. They are living in an apartment. That apartment was not their own. It was their auntie's apartment. It was small. It was Susila auntie's apartment. Whenever they come to Bombay, they stay with their auntie. Now boys, now you may ask, "Sir, why are they in Bombay today?" The answer is, they had come to Bombay to get the treatment for his cancer. They had already consulted many doctors. They had taken treatment from different doctors, but they couldn't get good results. So they came to Bombay now to get treatment. They had hopes that in Bombay there are good hospitals there is good technology, there are famous expert doctors, and they could get good treatment. Friends, one more thing is that they had come with high hopes in the miracles of science, and they believed that they or their children, their boy would again walk, their boy would again run, their child would again take part in the forthcoming table tennis tournament. So, with this hope, their family had now arrived to Bombay. And when they were in Bombay, there was a program. Okay, this time he insisted to go to the program, but mother did not allow him. Then the sister insisted, but sister was allowed. Next day, his sister went to the program with her father. The program started. She was sitting with her father and listening to the music. She enjoyed it. She listened to the different ragas and she enjoyed it very much. After some time, the program came to an end. And after the program, suddenly she ran to the man who was there on the dais. He went to the man and told them the story. Now the question you may ask, whom did she met? There she met the man whom I called the sitar maestro. His name was Pandit Ravi Shankar. On the stage, Pandit Ravi Shankar was standing with another great wizard of music. His name was Ustad Allah Raka. He was the tabla player. They were standing on the stage. Suddenly at that moment, the girl went there, folded her hands and requested them to come to their house and play for their brother. And then they inquired, why? What's the problem with your boy? What's the problem with your brother? Then she said, sir, my brother is just 15 years old, but he is suffering from cancer. And he is a big fan of yours, sir. So he wanted to attend the program, but mother did not allow him. Sir, he is going to die within a week or within 15 days. Sir, please come to our house and play for him. After that, the two sitar maestro and tabla maestro, they discussed among themselves and said, okay, girl, we will come to your house tomorrow. Well, students, after that, the next day, the two people, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, they came to the child's house. They came in taxi, and their taxi stood in front of their apartment. The people in that locality, they saw that the great people, they had come to their house. The people could not believe their eyes. They said, how can such great people come to such small boy? They were surprised. Okay, but the two people came to their house. They went up and they entered into their house. They sat on the divan and slowly they began the program. They began to play for the boy. So they played songs for him, and after some time, after hearing the melodious songs played by Pandit Ravi Shankar, the boy passed away. So this is how, friends, here was a small boy of 15 who was a great fan of Pandit Ravi Shankar, and he heard the music played by them. So this was the story in short. Already you have studied this story in your school's house. Now the next point is, what will be the questions on this lesson? Students, there will be one question maybe of 3 marks. That is, Anant was a great, a talented person. Justify. There will be a question like this. And when you are asked a question like this, you can write for 3 marks, you can write 4 to 5 questions, 4 to 5 sentences. There you can write, he was a great tennis player. There you can write, he was the fastest runner. There you can also write that he was better than her sister. Next question, there will be another question on this lesson, that is, why had their family come to Mumbai? You know friends, already I have told you that they came to Mumbai to get a treatment for the child. They believed in the miracles of science. They had high hopes that their child would be cured. Their boy would again walk, run, play and take parts in the tournaments. Okay, this is another question. Now, there will be another question on this lesson, that is, the two great sitar maestro and tabla maestro came to their house. This was really unusual thing. And there will be a question on this. Justify or write something about this. How was this an unusual thing? So, dear children, these will be the questions on the lesson concept. मुलांनो, आता आपल्याला ही कहाणी ऐकलेली असेल आपण शाळेमध्ये, सरांनी शिकवलेलं आहे. हा धडा आपल्याला शाळेमध्ये झालेला आहे. आता हा धड्याची जी स्टोरी होती, आता आपल्याला इंग्रजीमध्ये मी सांगितलेलं आहे. आता थोडक्यामध्ये आपल्याला ह्याची जी स्टोरी आहे ती मराठीमध्ये सांगायचा प्रयत्न करतो. आपल्याला माहीत आहे ह्या स्टोरीमध्ये जो नायक आहे त्याचं नाव आहे अनंत. लहान मुलगा, 15 वयाचा मुलगा, टेबल टेनिस खेळतो, सितार वाजवतो, सितारचे क्लास घेतो आणि आपल्या बहिणीपेक्षा तो चांगले वाद्य वाजवतो. असा हा मुलगा, त्याचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे की त्याला कॅन्सर झालेला आहे आणि त्यासाठी तो आता मुंबईमध्ये आहे. मुंबईमध्ये त्याचं स्वतःचं घर नाही, परंतु तो त्याच्या आंटीच्या घरामध्ये आहे आणि तिचं नाव आहे सुशीला. तिच्या एका लहानशा अपार्टमेंटमध्ये अनंतची बहीण स्मिता आणि त्याची आई राहते. आता तिथं राहत असताना डॉक्टरांनी स्पष्टपणे सांगितलेलं आहे की हा मुलगा काही दिवसच तुमच्याबरोबर राहणार आहे. कॅन्सर झालेला होता. तिच्या बहिणीला स्मिताला माहीत होतं की हा मुलगा फक्त 8 ते 10 दिवस जगणार आहे आणि त्यासाठी ट्रीटमेंट घेण्यासाठी ते मुंबईला आले होते. मुलांनो, तिथं आल्यानंतर त्यांनी आंटीबरोबर राहिलं आणि आंटीबरोबर राहत असताना एका दिवशी काय झालं की पेपरमध्ये एक न्यूज बातमी आली की षण्मुखानंद ऑडिटोरियम बॉम्बे नावाच्या ऑडिटोरियममध्ये एक प्रोग्राम होता आणि त्या प्रोग्राममध्ये पंडित रविशंकर आणि उस्ताद अल्ला रखा ह्यांचा प्रोग्राम होता. ज्यावेळी ही बातमी त्याच्या बहिणीनं वाचली, अनंत म्हणाला, मला त्या कार्यक्रमाला जायचं आहे, मला त्या प्रोग्रामला जायचं आहे, मला त्यांचा कार्यक्रम आवडतो, मी त्यांचा फॅन आहे आणि मला जायचं आहे. अशी संधी पुन्हा पुन्हा भेटत नाही. तर आई म्हणाली, हे बघ, आता तू अगोदर बरा हो आणि नंतर मी तुला पाठवतो. तो कितीही विनंती केला तरी आईनं ऐकलं नाही, त्याला जाऊ दिलं नाही. शेवटी काय झालं, स्मिताला जायची संधी मिळाली. स्मिता ही त्याची बहीण आहे आणि तिनं दुसऱ्या दिवशी त्या कार्यक्रमाला गेली. जाईत असताना अगोदर तिच्या डोक्यामध्ये एक विचार आला की आज माझ्या भावाला त्या प्रोग्राममध्ये जायला जमलं नाही, का मी त्यांना विनंती करू नये. तिला असं वाटलं की मी जाऊ, त्यांना विनंती करू आणि त्यांना घरी बोलवून आणू. त्यासाठी ती दुसऱ्या दिवशी आपल्या वडिलांसोबत त्या कार्यक्रमासाठी गेली. कार्यक्रम सुरू झाला. तिने त्या कार्यक्रमाचा आनंद घेतला. आणि ज्यावेळी कार्यक्रम संपला त्यावेळी लगेचच ती मुलगी उठली आणि स्टेजवरती गेली. त्या दोघांना भेटली. पंडित रविशंकर आणि उस्ताद अल्लाह रखा यांना दोघांना भेटली. हात जोडून विनंती केली, नमस्कार केला आणि म्हणाले, हे बघा माझा भाऊ फार सिरियस आहे. तो फक्त 8 ते 10 दिवसच जगणार आहे. कॅन्सर झाला आहे आणि त्यासाठी तुम्ही आमच्या घरी या आणि त्यासाठी काहीतरी एक कार्यक्रम द्या. त्या दोघांनी थोडा वेळ आपापल्यामध्ये चौकशी केली आणि शेवटी म्हणाले, ओके ठीक आहे, उद्या सकाळी आम्ही तुमच्या घरी येऊ. दुसऱ्या दिवशी सकाळी ते दोघेही एका टॅक्सीमध्ये मुंबईमधल्या त्यांच्या अपार्टमेंट समोर गाडीने येऊन थांबले. आजूबाजूचे लोक होते, त्यांना आश्चर्य वाटलं. त्यांना समजेना की इतके मोठे कार्यक्रम देणारे लोक, असे मोठे लोक ह्यांच्या घरी कसे काय आले. ओके, परंतु हे सगळं खरं होतं. त्या दोघांनी आतमध्ये आले, बसले, मुलाबद्दल विचारलं आणि तो कार्यक्रम चालू झाला. अनंत जो सिरियस होता, कॅन्सरचा रोग झालेला, तो काही वेळ तो कार्यक्रम ऐकला आणि कार्यक्रम सप्ताच काही वेळाने तो अनंत जो कॅन्सरचा पेशंट होता त्याचा मृत्यू झाला. अशी एक स्टोरी ह्या धड्यामध्ये, कन्सर्ट नावाच्या धड्यामध्ये आपण ऐकलेलं आहे. आता ह्यामधले महत्त्वाचे क्वेश्चन्स काय आहेत हे सुद्धा सांगितलेलं आहे. एक म्हणजे अनंत कसा होता त्याच्याबद्दल लिहा, हा 3 अंकाचा प्रश्न आपल्याला विचारू शकतात. दुसरा प्रश्न आहे, तो मुंबईला का आला, त्याच्याबद्दल आता मी इंग्रजीमध्ये तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे. मुंबईला येण्याचं कारण काय होतं, कशासाठी आला आणि त्याच्यानुसार कसं लिहायचं ते पण तुम्हाला थोडक्यामध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे. नंतर ह्या धड्यामधला आणखी एक प्रश्न, पंडित अल्लाह रखा आणि उस्ताद अल्लाह रखा आणि पंडित रविशंकर ह्यांच्याबद्दल हे जे आले ते खरोखरच अप्रूप आहे, असं होऊ शकतं का, तुमचं मत काय, अशा प्रकारचे जे प्रश्न, वेगवेगळे प्रश्न आहेत ह्या धड्यामध्ये आपल्याला विचारू शकतात. ओके मुलांनो, हा होता 5वा धडा द कन्सर्ट. ह्याची संक्षिप्तमध्ये स्टोरी आपल्याला मी सांगितलेली आहे आणि ठराविक काही 2-3 प्रश्न जे विचारले जातील ते सुद्धा तुमच्याशी मी चर्चा केलेलं आहे. धन्यवाद.
सबस्क्राईब करा तरुण भारत न्यूज चॅनलला आणि ताज्या घडामोडी सर्वात आधी जाणून घेण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.